It came. New shipment of squishies are now here. So I'm going to open them right here on video so all of y'all can see it. So hold on, I'm just trying to take my address off. So that I can show you people. Okay. This is what it looks like. So it's not that big, but I did get small items. So they weren't as. So I'm gonna try and open this right here on camera. I don't know if you guys can see all this. I'm trying to be like as careful as possible. Okay. Look! There you can see inside. Oh my goodness! Squishy heaven! Oh my goodness! Hold on. I just gotta pick it. Okay, hold on. Oh wow! Haha! So cool. Yeah. Mommy!
Are you doing a...
Sorry. Okay. So, there are all the donuts. 30 different, so like I didn't get to pick, but it was like all random. So I'll do like a more in-depth video later. Oh my gosh. Wow, they're so squishy. So awesome. Oh look, I got more of these ones. Okay. Wow, they're more squishy. I like these. This is definitely worth the wait. Okay, so I'll move those out of the way. Then the next thing I got were the Lounging Rilakkuma donut, or Lounging Rilakkuma. So let me turn the cam towards this way. They're lounging, and they come in the official Rilakkuma packaging. All right, let's see here. Oh, and I think they have stretchy, I'm so excited. Woohoo! This just made the whole day better. So they come with stretchy cell phone straps. Stretchy. So this is what they look like, and they come in their official, like, packaging. All in, like, Chinese and Japanese. My cats are freaking out. So, oh my gosh. They're so squishy, and they're tiny. So they're, like, that big. They're so tiny, but they're so cool. I love it. So I have, they're all, so there's more of the, like, tan. There's actually one yellow one that's not in the official packaging, so I think I'll keep that one. I don't know. I'm gonna keep, like, one of each, but I'm not sure what I want to do yet. So, for all of this, I got 30 donuts. I don't know how many. I got 20 Rilakkuma lounging spares, and then I got all this, which comes with 20 items, and I only paid $60 for all of it. So there are 2 yellows, a whole bunch of tan. I think there's only a few brown. So there's 4 brown, and the rest are all tan. Alright, so then, the last stuff that I got was this. Cheese. And this is my new supplier. So I'm really happy with what they've sent me so far. It looks like a cell phone strap came off. Alrighty, so I got the Rilakkuma Rilakkuma honey toasts. They're so adorable. They come with stretchy cell phone straps again. They're very squishy. They're also very small. Those ones don't come in official packaging. But then I got the pancakes. So it comes with stretchy strap, and it comes in the official packaging. Then I got the R's. It's so squishy, so cute. Comes in the official packaging with the stretchy cell phone strap. And I got the R's in pink and yellow. So that is everything for this squishy haul. I am so excited. You would not, if you could see my face right now, you would be like, oh my gosh, how excited is she? So I am really excited to do a more in-depth video later. So I see you guys later. Bye! See? Oh, the lighting is like blacking it out, but whatever. Bye!